Hello and welcome to IKnowGadgets. Today, we're reviewing the Pico Forward VR headset, an all-in-one virtual reality device that offers an immersive experience like no other. The Pico Forward VR headset is incredibly lightweight, weighing only 295 grams. With 256 gigabytes of internal memory, you can store numerous VR games and experiences. Featuring a 4K plus LCD display, 2160 x 2160 pixels per eye, and a 105-degree field of view, the visuals are stunning. The headset also includes modern pancake lenses and full-color mixed reality for an enhanced VR experience. Enjoy up to 3 hours of battery life and track your fitness with the innovative fitness app, which includes a calorie counter and performance tracker. This standalone VR headset requires no PC and offers wireless functionality. It features an integrated microphone and speaker for added convenience. With a Pico account, you gain access to a wide selection of popular Pico Store games for free directly on the glasses or for download. Additionally, you can download 50 large popular VR games as a gift. Experience the virtual world with the Pico 4 VR headset 256 gigabytes. Click the link in the description below to get yours and embark on extraordinary adventures. If you found this review helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more gadget reviews, and hit the notification bell for updates. Stay tuned for more exciting reviews on the latest gadgets. Until next time, explore new dimensions with technology and unlock the wonders of virtual reality.